My name is Chao Zhang, and I'm currently a guest researcher of the National Institute of Standard and Technology in US. Structural fire engineering is an interdiscipline developed in the later 1990s. In simple words, structural fire engineering studies how building structures fail or collapse in fire and how to mitigate that failure of collapse by applying passive fire protection. When I was a freshman in Wuhan University in 2001, the 9/11 disaster happened. From the videos on TV, I saw the collapse of the World Trade Center Twin Towers, which killed thousands of people. I, like most people, thought the collapse was caused by the impact of the aircraft. But the later investigation and studies show that it was the fire that caused the collapse of the whole building. I was shocked and got deep interested to study the behavior of structures in fire. In my opinion, the most important achievement in the field of fire protection engineering was made by Dr. Sam Eberg about 100 years ago. Dr. Sam Eberg was a physicist in the National Bureau of Standards, which is now the National Institute of Standard and Technology. He's in charge of the first standardized fire testers. In 1928, Dr. Sam Eberg published the testers of the severity of building fires, which is a major milestone in fire protection engineering internationally. Thanks to Dr. Sam Eberg's ingenuity, the framework of using a single standard curve was able to be established. That framework is still being used today and has almost unchanged in the past century. This is my considered opinion. We know little about the performance of structural systems in realistic fires. Fortunately, the affiliation I'm now working with National Institute of Standard and Technology constructed such a unique facility, the National Fire Research Laboratory. I think being the successor of Dr. Sam Eberg, the National Fire Research Laboratory will make significant achievement in developing the next generation of realistic fire tests in the field. The structural fire engineering is new and developing interdisciplinary. There are many topics which worth investigation, like the hybrid testing method, the integrated fire structure simulation, the localized fire for structure safety, and also the creep behavior of structures in fire. In addition to publishing my thesis in Sprinkler, I published several papers in the Journal of Fire Technology, which is a leading journal in fire safety engineering, published by Sprinkler in conjunction with National Fire Protection Association and the Society of Fire Protection Engineers. Thanks to Sprinkler, my research got a very international impact.